My horn stopped working, but strangely, if I turn the steering wheel to a specific angle, it actually works. On top of that, my cruise control went out too, but just like the horn, it turns on when the wheel is at that exact same angle. The culprit behind this is a bad steering wheel clock spring. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to replace this part and calibrate the steering angle sensor. First, pop the hood and disconnect the battery to avoid damaging or accidentally triggering the airbag later. Next, pry off this plastic cover on the side of the steering wheel. Using this special screwdriver, remove the side screw. Do the exact same thing to remove the screw on the other side. Gently pull out the airbag module. The connectors on the airbag use a dual-stage lock. Pry up the gray locking tab first, and then you can pull off the wire connector. Use the same method to disconnect the red wires. Unplug this main power wire, and the airbag module comes right off. Use a 19mm socket to remove this center retaining nut. And you can pull off the entire steering wheel. Then, remove these 4 screws underneath. Here is the clock spring assembly. Remove the 2 mounting screws and the wire harness clips, and the clock spring comes right off. Here's the new clock spring I bought. Comparing it to the original, it's an exact match. Remove the turn signal stock and wiper stock from both sides of the old unit and install them onto the new clock spring. Transfer this ring component over as well. Make sure to align this notch so you don't install it in the wrong position. Notice this plastic positioning clip on the new assembly. Do not remove it yet. This keeps it locked at the correct angle during installation. Now, reinstall everything in the reverse order of removal and plug all the wiring harnesses back in. Now, before put on the steering wheel, remove the plastic positioning clip. I recommend applying some thread locker to these two mounting screws. Reconnect the battery. Awesome. Now the horn works again, and so does the cruise control. But there's one last crucial step, performing a steering angle sensor calibration. Otherwise, these two yellow warning lights will stay on, and it might even cause abnormal braking behavior. First, make sure to center your steering wheel so it's perfectly level and straight. I'm using a Launch X431 CRP 919X. Go to Nissan, manually select North America, America, Rogue, System Selection, Anti-Lock Brake System, Work Support, Steering Angle Sensor Adjustment. Click Start, and you're all done.